today we're going to buy samosa! I say, wow. Sweets. Soft. Sarap. Ba't ganun? Sasarap. Pero alam mo, ito yung favorite ko. Samosa. Sarap. Sarap. I-try natin tong chutney. Hindi ko type. Type ko ito. Parang tamarind sauce.